Hi, I'm Jackie and I'm the editor of Chirp magazine. Today we're going to try a rainbow experiment using toilet paper and markers. Let's go! For this experiment you'll need toilet paper, washable markers, a small bowl or cup with a bit of water in the bottom, and a pair of scissors. First, cut a strip of toilet paper and then use your markers to draw a row of dots in the middle of the strip. Then place the bottom of the toilet paper strip into the water and watch what happens. Toilet paper absorbs liquid. As the water is absorbed by the paper, it travels up to the marker dots and mixes with the colors, making a rainbow. Hope you like this video. For more science fun, check out owlkids.com/chirpscience. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more crafts, experiments, and recipes. Bye!